Hello angels, today I have a super adorable and very easy Dollar Tree DIY for you. It is a garden cart or wagon, and there's actually three different ways you can do this. There's the two-wheel garden cart version, and then the four-wheel cart version, and then the wagon version. Here are the items that I used. It depends on which one that you want to do. I will list everything in the description box. I forgot my floral wire, so I ended up taking the stem off an artificial flower and just bending it to shape and wrapping it with twine. I thought some wooden beads or some beads that you painted would be really pretty across the top of the handle, but I didn't have any of those, so I just went with this. I'm going to glue it on with some E6000 and some hot glue. And reinforce it with more hot glue, of course. I'm going to take 4 of the Tumbling Tower wooden blocks, and I'm only putting these in to kind of stabilize it while I'm working and to kind of gauge where my wheels need to go. The 4th block, however, the silver one, that one will actually stay, so I'm going to use E6000 for it. The other 3 I'll just pop off later. Of course, we're going to put the E6000 on the wheels. Use some hot glue as well. For the spokes, I just took 4 pieces of twine and crossed them inside, glued them down. I also originally had the idea to take the heads off of artificial flowers and put them in the tins where you could see them through the opening, and it looked really pretty, but I decided to go with this instead. I just liked the look of it better for what I was going for. I'm going to take some of these glass accent gems and use 1 each for the center of the wheel, and there's a lot of things you could use for this. There's what it looks like with 4 wheels, and I will do that way too many times in this video because I could not decide how I like it best. I decided I wanted to take and add just a little bit of twine around the top. You could definitely wrap it more times, would look pretty, but I wanted just a touch. And then I'm going to add a twine bow on each side. And there is the 2 and 4 wheel version again. I'm using some onion grass from the Dollar Tree here. This is an old ratty one that I had. And since I want it to look a little messy anyway, that's fine. I'm just curling up some of the pieces with my fingernail. It curls just as easy as curling ribbon would. Now these flowers are not from Dollar Tree. I had not gotten my hands on any good ones yet. All of my stores had kind of been picked over. So I just used what I had on hand. But since then I've picked up some, and the lilacs would look really pretty in there because they're long. And I'm not really arranging these in here. I just want it to look laid in there the way that it is. So there we are with 4 wheels again. And then the wagon version that I used an S-hook, like a plant hanger. They come in a pack of 2 for the smaller ones at the Dollar Tree. And that is all for now. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe. I'll see you next time.